Yep, here's KMIR. Turn that off.
Reframing them now, and they're calling it Christmas in July, or
Can't hear anything. Movies.
Carrie Ellis, part of.
Oh, they relate it.
Talk about Macy's. They have amazing deals right now on name brand. According to plan.
Let's watch this scroll one last time. Yep, KMIR. Man, how long are they going to keep this scrolling text going? Yes, I get it. RMT. GWES really needs to update this. Say at 10 instead of 11. Am I hearing an FM station? What the heck? MeTV's still stuck on whatever FM station they're looking at. Look at that. I hear an FM station.
All this.
Our front yard. It's about the future. When
I
I
think
indicated that we
maybe
should
KSQ
be
already
taking
relayed.
on.
Let's look at MeTV again. It's still going. Look at that. Oh, there's the end message tones. One last time.
Call 877-630.
I wonder if any other channels have relayed, maybe. Alright, that's KPSC. I think that's all the stations, so... Yeah. It's 10:24 Pacific Daylight Time, AM, to be exact. So stay tuned for the required monthly test. No. The required weekly test.